Hey guys, this is Ghost War 38 and today I'm bringing you another unboxing video. This just arrived to me this morning, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Hope everyone is doing well today. Hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on when or where you're watching this video from. Okay, I'm gonna have to go grab my knife. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As of publishing or when this video will be uploaded, I will be or am currently working on my review of the Death-Defying Daredevil. I just finished the book, so now I'm just getting my script prepared. Well, not really script, but just more like just making sure I get all my notes written down and thoughts so that way I can compile them into the video. Here we go. Whoops. Look, that didn't go good. There we go. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, didn't have to worry about that then. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is what I got from my collection. This is the 4-issue miniseries of The Owl from Dynamite. I expressed earlier in my overview of my collection that I was getting these, so this is the rest of the series. 1, 2, 3, the Alex Ross cover, and 4, which I have a copy of. So I now have variant covers, the primary covers from the 4 issues, the variant cover of issue 3, and then my own sealed, or not sealed, but my own other copy of issue 4. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. So, yeah, that takes care of that. I have all 4 issues, just wanted to show you guys, and yeah, that was about it. I'll be doing giving my thoughts and review on this 4-issue series now that I have issues 1 and 2, reread issue 3 and 4, and then I'll give my thoughts on the series. So anyway, be sure to like and comment if you enjoyed this video and want to know more or be in touch when I do more. So anyway, stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.